Hello, fabulous foodies. Welcome to our channel Sparkle Cooking. Today in this video we will learn how to make the restaurant-style chicken tikka at home without oven. So let's start first with the ingredients. Half kg boneless chicken. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. 1 or 2 lemons. 1 or 2 tablespoon of mustard oil. Half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Half tablespoon of Tandoori chicken masala. Yogurt 1 cup. Half tablespoon of dried methi leaves powder. Chaat masala as desired. Coriander leaves as desired. Charcoal. 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. Cooking oil as desired. Salt as desired. Recipe. The process of making restaurant-style chicken tikka at home involves 2 types of marination. Marination 1 process. Take a bowl and put half kg of boneless chicken pieces and a bit of salt in it. Then, put a half tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste and squeeze some lemon juice in it. Then mix everything thoroughly and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Marination 2 process. Take another bowl and put 1 or 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon of Tandoori chicken masala, half tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, half tablespoon of dried methi leaves powder, 1 cup of yogurt, and salt as per your taste. Remember that we have already put some salt in the first marination. Lastly, squeeze the lemon as you desire and mix everything properly. When 30 minutes of the first chicken marination process is completed, then take the mixture of the first chicken marinade and put it into the second one. Now mix this mixture thoroughly and keep it aside for at least 30 to 40 minutes. After completion of 30 to 40 minutes, heat the grill pan and ensure that it must be super hot so that your chicken tikka is cooked perfectly and does not taste like boiled chicken. Brush up the grill pan with some cooking oil. Put in the marinated chicken tikka pieces one by one and let it cook on high flame. Now, overturn the chicken tikka pieces as we have put the flame on high. We will flip the chicken tikka from both sides over high flame heat so that the meat is cooked perfectly from the inside. It will take at least 15 to 20 minutes for it to be cooked completely. Finally, chicken tikka is ready without an oven. Now sprinkle chaat masala on chicken tikka and squeeze lemon and serve to your loved ones. If you want to give a nice charcoal smoky flavor to chicken tikka, follow these steps. Burn the charcoal on a high flame. Then place it in a chicken tikka bowl. Pour 1 tablespoon of ghee on charcoal and instantly cover the bowl with a lid so that smoke coming out of it stays inside the bowl. Keep the bowl covered for at least 10 minutes to get a good charcoal smoky flavor. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos and share them.